Hello, hello. I am the apprentice Manuel Pinzon, Comprehensive Transportation Management. Today I will make video about activities, healthy nutrition, and physical activity. In my daily work, I perform at one driver. It is a constant combination of road responsibility, technical skills, and physical endurance. My day requires a high level of attention to ensure that both the policies, keyword, and the testing arrive safely at their destination regardless of the time or the rain. That why I hit in a hurried way and they keep activate every 2 hours for 5 to 10 minutes. Preventing mental physical fatigue with reduce the risk of Michael risk at the will be mass contention accumulated by maintaining a prolonging static posture for several hours. I do physical activities such as riding noise in my free time. Thank you so much.